I know I've been whining a lot lately about how much I missed getting to the beach for photography during the COVID crisis. That's in LA County. What a difference one county to the south can make. I'm here in Orange County today where it's as if summer has never ended. Take a look. Orange County, of course, is so different than LA County, where the beaches are shut tight. Signs are out, the restaurants are open for takeout only, and people are encouraged to wear masks. It's like old Henry here from this classic shop in downtown Newport Beach, which won't let you in unless you're wearing a mask. It is worth noting that not all beaches of Orange County are like Huntington and Newport. Seal Beach and Laguna Beach, the beaches are closed. And of course, the parking lots, parks, and other general areas are closed in all of the Orange County beach cities. Thank you for watching this photo walk from Orange County. If you'd like to find out the best photo spots in Huntington Beach, Newport Beach, Laguna, Dana Point, Seal Beach, we got some ideas. Please stay tuned. You'll see them at the end here, and they're listed in the description below. If you have any questions about today's photo walk or anything in general, please hit me up in the comments below. Look for me on Instagram or Twitter, where I'm at Jefferson Graham. I am a lifelong photographer, writer, and video maker, and the whole goal of the Photowalks channel is to take you to some pretty great places and show you how, when, and where to get the best photos. So I hope you'll stay tuned and catch some of our other videos. Until then, I'll see you on the next photo walk. Bye-bye, everyone.